Okay, so for problem number 2, we're now doing the system of inequalities where y is less than or equal to 2x plus 2 and y is greater than 1/3 x minus 1 is graphed below. So they went on ahead and put each one into the calculator, right? This is what Desmos would give us. So I went on ahead and showed you the graph. So now it says, Thor says that 3, negative 3 is a solution to the system. So how do we know we have a solution to the system, right? We know it's in the shaded area, but a system is now more than one line. So we know that the solution has to be where, it has to be where both shading comes together, right? Because it's a system. So Thor says that negative 3, 3 is a solution. So I'm going to go and find negative 3, 3. So that's actually right here. Okay. Then I'm going to, so Hulk says that 3, 2 is a solution. All right. So 3, 2 is a solution. That point right there. And then Thanos says 6, negative 2 is a solution. So 6, negative 2 is right there. All right. And now it's asking who is correct and why. Okay, so who is correct out of these 3 points? Which one is the solution to the system, right? And why? And what can you tell me about the ordered pair? Negative 3, negative 3. Oh. Okay, so negative 3, negative 3, which is located right here. What can you tell me about that point? 3, negative 3. Okay, so that's the black dot. Alright, so go on ahead and answer those questions. What can you tell me about all those points? And now you're identifying what is the 0 and y-intercept of each function below. So this is problem number 3. So for problem number 3, A, B, C, D, they're all going to give us a new equation, right? So what are you going to do? You're going to put that into Desmos. So the first A was y equals 2x minus 8. So y equals 2x minus 8. Okay, so that's my line, that's my linear. And the question's asking what is the 0 and the y-intercept. So first of all, do we remember what a 0 is? Anybody remember? Guys, a 0 is just another word for x-intercept. Okay, so they're asking us here what is the x-intercept and what is the y-intercept for each one. So here at 2x minus 8, my x-intercept here, if you touch your graph, Desmos calculator gives it to you, so your x-intercept's here, 4, 0. That's 4, 0. And your y-intercept here is right there at negative 8, 0, negative 8. 0, negative 8. Okay? And that's what you're going to go on ahead and do for all of these problems. So you're going to go and put B now in the calculator, put C, and put D. And go on ahead and identify the zeros, which is just my x-intercept, and the y-intercepts. Okay?